I can't stop myself from binge eating. I'd wake up the next day, frustrated, confused, disgusted. I try to fix it by working out to compensate for last night's binge. But then it happens again, and again, and again. When will it ever stop? It stops when you let go of the idea of being too perfect. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to have fun foods. It's okay to forgive yourself whenever you mess up. You can't control what's already been done, but you can control what you're gonna do next. Be kind to yourself today.